today's video, I am going to give you some idea on the chakras. So, what is referred to as the third eye is not necessarily another eye like ours. It's not. It is just that, there are, say, in the pranic system, we talked about 72,000 nadis. These 72,000 nadis have 114 important junction points in the body. Like this building, electric systems are running. There are many junction points where major connections are happening there. There are 114 junction points in the body. Generally, these are referred to as chakras. The word chakra are literally meaning a wheel. But these are not in the form of circles or wheels. They are always meet in the form of a triangle. The nadis meet in the form of a triangle. And it is because that is a basic way the nadis meet. They are the chakras. And the whole yogic system depends on what you do within them, with them. So out of these 114, 7 are held as a major junction points. So these are the 7 chakras that we are normally talking about. They are located in certain parts of your body. From the body, top to bottom. These are Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Ajna, Sasat. Muladhara means the foundation. This is the center, which is physically or physiologically dislocated between your genital organ and its top. That's called perineum. That area, the perineum area. So, this is Muladhara. If your energies are dominant in your Muladhara, food and sleep will be the 2 major qualities of your life. They will be the most important factors in your life, food and sleep. If your energies are dominant in your Swadhisthana, which is located just above the genital organ, here you will be a pleasure seeker. A pleasure does not necessarily mean sex or something like that. It's who want to enjoy the world. That's a pleasure seeker. So a person who is a pleasure seeker, he lives little more intensely than a person who is living just for food and sleep. So these are just different levels of intensities of life. As the intensity increases, your ability to experience different types of life, another area to another area of life. The energy is moving to Manipura or for more dominant Manipura. You are the doer in the world. You want to do more things. And you are you can be a businessman, a politician, something connected to that. Where a lot of doing is needed. If energy is moving from Anahata, this is the creative center. You become a creative person. Maybe you're an artist. Tendencies that make you such a way, creative way. You want to create more than simply eating and sleeping or sitting idle. Such things. That's creativity inside you. A person like an artist. Generally, their lives may be considered little freaky for the people, but they experience life little more intensely than the businessman. It's a different level of intensity. If energy is moving to Vishuddhi, which is a pit of throat, Vishuddhi, the word Anahata means unstruck sound, meeting between the lower and the higher. Or yours survival instincts are in the lower 3 chakras. Self-preservation is in Manipura, Swadhisthana and Muladhara. The longing to break away from all this and go beyond is in Vishuddhi, Agnya and Sastra. Anahata is a meeting point. Anahata is the symbolism is two triangles meeting. You see the star is in Anahata, the triangle. Two upward moving and two downward moving triangles meeting because these are two different dimensions of life. One is catering to self-preservation, another longing to go beyond that. Your head and beyond that in your head and heart. But the body, you have the longing to preserve. Thank you. Namaskar.